Alright, y'all, so, I'm recording this video with my Vixia. It's because I lost my SD card to my main camera. It's somewhere in this room, I just am able to find it, so. Today I'm going to be installing Mac OS X server on this iMac G5. Now, here's the story about this G5. I got two of these from a flea market. What had bad caps inside, had a good screen, it also had a good hard drive. This one had a bad screen, a bad hard drive, however the system was working. So I swapped both of these out and it's booting now. I just reinstalled Leopard a little while ago and here it is. This is just the regular install of Leopard. I'm about to wipe this. Alright, aside from that, let's go ahead and plug in our USB drive. If you see a, oh hey, here's our little ISO, and what we're gonna do is reboot this thing and get it to boot from USB. So, let's go ahead and restart. And PowerPC Macs, since this is a G5, PowerPC Macs have a little open firmware command to boot from USB, so I'm going to be figuring that out as well. Yeah. Also, if I go to any type of startup manager or anything like that, the fans go nuts. I have no idea the reasoning of this, but okay. Alright, so there's our folder. Down there we have our disk called UD, and that's what's used to do this. So we're going to do boot UD : comma 2 / TBXI enter. We got it working first try. Okay. Nice blue wallpaper. Okay, we only have 4 languages on this, which is interesting. Alright, so huh? Mac OS X cannot be installed on this computer. The computer does not have enough RAM. Okay, so I found my only DDR2 stick. This thing uses a DDR2 4200, and this one's 6400. It'll just have around 512 megs of RAM. So let's get this. Okay, and come on, get in there. Okay. Alright, RAM is installed. True this. Will this chime? Yes, it indeed will. Okay. Yay! Alright. Well, I have no idea, but it clearly has its RAM. What are you talking about? Okay, so let me go into System Profiler. Memory, 512. Empty. Built in. Alright, we're gonna be here for a little bit